Welcome to this introductory session of Doing Church in Digital Times, a free course with 8 sessions designed by myself, Emma Murube. It has these 8 sessions that are designed to guide churches on how to use social media and digital tools for outreach, discipleship, and community building. Each of the sessions builds on the previous one, providing a structured path from understanding the basics to implementing a digital ministry plan. Let us take an overview of each of the sessions. Session 1, Digital Ministry and the Church's Mission. It is designed to introduce the concept of digital ministry and align it with the church's mission of discipleship and community outreach. We are going to be looking at digital ministry and its purpose, its foundations that are biblical, and also using media as a tool for the Great Commission. This section is quite short, but very useful and a useful foundation for understanding the sessions that follow. The second session, Connecting Faith and Engagement. This session is intended to equip you with the skills to create content that inspires spiritual growth, encourages engagement, and reaches newcomers. We are going to be talking about types of content from devotionals, testimonials, event promotions, and educational posts. We're going to look at writing effective, faith centered captions and choosing Bible verses that resonate with them, among other things that we're going to explore that have to do with social media. In session 3, we are going to be looking at practical content creation and visual design to give you the skills of creating visually appealing and consistent and engaging content. We're going to be looking at basics of graphics, looking at things like Adobe Spark or Canva. And also, it is going to give you tips on creating videos and capturing sound, storytelling, and lighting. We're also going to look at designing to create inviting and consistent presence online. In session 4, Building Community Online, we're going to look at fostering meaningful interaction and building the communities that you're going to build online. We're going to look at setting up small online groups, prayer circles, mentorship groups using Facebook or WhatsApp. We're also going to be looking at creating a sense of belonging and connection through regular online interaction. In session 5, Engagement and Outreach Techniques, we're going to be looking at strategies that deepen our engagement and also inviting new members to participate. We're going to look into inviting people to events, service projects, prayer sessions online, conducting Q&A sessions, prayer live streams, interactive polls, and also using analytics to measure the engagement and understanding of our audience. In session 6, long-term planning and content consistency. This is the perfect space to start using your 12-week guide, because in this place, we're going to be looking at content planning, consistency, and also how to impact sustenance. We will be looking also at the importance of content calendars and strategies for scheduling, tools for organizing like Trello, Google Calendar, Buffer, and other scheduling tools that you can use on this journey. In session 7, Authentic Storytelling and Testimonies, we are going to look at ways of storytelling as a way of sharing personal testimonies and inspiring faith in others. We will have a deeper look at how to capture and share testimonies, member stories, and ministry updates. We'll also go through writing and filming testimonies in an authentic and relatable way. We will be giving the understanding of how to use testimonies to connect with seekers and encourage faith growth. And in session 8, Reviewing Impact and Growing Digital Ministry, we will be reviewing the impact of digital ministry efforts and set goals for continuous growth. We will be looking at the reviews for social media, web analytics, and understanding audience engagement. We will be looking at get feedback that you get and measure impact, and also create a long-term plan to sustain and expand your digital ministry. Each of these sessions include practical activities and reflections, which is going to allow you to gradually implement what you are learning in this series. And you're also going to end this series with a strong foundation for a vibrant, engaging digital ministry that is aligned with the church's mission as commanded by Christ. You also get two other freebies with this course: a social media guide and content template. It has 12 weeks of preloaded content, and you also can use the rest of the document to add your own document, start your own scheduling, and everything that you need to plan your content is in that guide. And it will be good for you to download that. You can also download the course workbook. With every session, you can jot down in your course workbook. There are a little reflection questions in there, and also spaces to take notes. If you would like a certificate at the end of this course, there will be a link provided with the last session where you will go and answer a quiz where you can get your certificate afterwards. And also, if you have any question along the way, do not be afraid to ask it in the comment section. After the last session, I will be responding to all questions. Have a lovely day and enjoy this.